Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a focus mode on iPhone. I personally like the focus mode that gave you some space of mind to help avoid distractions when you are working or trying to sleep or driven your car. Do you like focus mode on your iPhone? I have loved to hear you from in the comment sections. Besides the predefined mode, iOS let you customize create a focus mode on your iPhones. For instance, I'm going to create a driving focus mode. First of all, go to your settings, scroll it up, and down there you can see a focus mode option. Tap it here. Now appears the top you can see a plus sign. Simply tap it here. Now appears my screen you can see customize driving, fitness, gaming. You can add it as you want. I'm going to create a driving focus mode. Tap it customize focus. Now allow the people if you want to add. Tap it plus sign. Now select the persons you want to add. Tap it done. And you can also allow the receipt call. Now go back, scroll it up. Now at up here you can see you can also customize, choose a lock screen to turn on to help limited distractions. Now tap it choose. Now if you want to select, simply select from here. Now tap it done. Now go back. Now if you want to turn it on, now appears my screen you can see a focus. Simply tap it here. Now appears my screen you can see type at driving. Like this you can easily turn on your focus mode at your iOS devices, but if somehow you want to delete it and want some another type of focus at your iPhone devices, simply go at settings, again tap at focus mode, tap on the mode you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete that driving mode. Appears my screen you can see driving mode. Just scroll it up and down the bottom you can see a delete focus. Tap it here and like this you can easily delete your focus mode from your iOS devices. Once a focus mode deleted, you will have to set up again when you want to use it. Again go to your settings and add the focus mode and tap at plus sign to add another focus at your iOS devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family members. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.